Have you ever dreamed of learning to play the piano, but caught yourself thinking things like, I'm not talented, I'm too old, or I can't afford a real piano anyway? You're not alone. Thoughts like these stop thousands of people from ever getting started, but the truth is, these are just myths. And today, I'd love to explain why. Let's start with the most common one. You have to be born with talent. Does that mean all great musicians were somehow born different? Of course not. Learning to play an instrument isn't about talent, it's about building a skill, little by little. It's just like when a small child learns to walk. They take a few shaky steps, fall, try again, and slowly, with practice, they improve. They don't give up, and neither should you. Some people may learn faster at first, but what really matters is showing up and practicing regularly. You don't need to be gifted, you just need to keep going. And even if you do believe in talent, remember, talent means nothing without consistent effort. Next up, myth number 2. I'm too old to start learning. In fact, adults often learn faster than children because they're more motivated, more focused, and often more patient. Sure, your hands might not be as flexible as a 10-year-old's, but your mindset is on a whole different level. And here's something even better. Research shows that learning an instrument can actually support brain health and may even slow down cognitive decline as we age. So no, it's absolutely not too late. If you've ever wanted to play, the best time to start is now. I'll leave some interesting links in the description if you want to read more about it. Finally, myth number 3. You need an expensive instrument to get started. Let's clear this up. You don't need a fancy grand piano or even a full 88-key digital one. You can absolutely begin with a simple keyboard, even a used one, as long as the keys work and it makes decent sound. Yes, a better instrument can help down the road, but it's not a requirement for learning the basics. Please remember, you're not too old, you don't need talent, and you don't have to spend a fortune. There will always be reasons not to start. I don't have time. It's just a dream. I'll never be good enough. It's too hard. Or learning piano is boring. The list goes on. But here's the truth. The only way you'll never learn is if you never try.